That gotta be a big snook, Billy. Nice. Oh, Jack? Okay. Oh, nice Jack, though. Dude, I thought that was a big snook or a poon, dude. I really thought that was a big snook or a poon. Huh? Well, to pop him out of there. Yeah. Yes, sir. Second fish on the boat, baby. Let's go. Lock in on him, Brett. Come on now. Oh, Billy almost had one. He came off, Brett? Oh, he's still on there? Oh, there it is. Dang. Yeah.
Is that what it is, Jacks?
Big Jacks, yeah. Billy's on. Billy's on. Get him. Oh my gosh. Woo! We're getting smoked, guys. We're getting smoked. Guys, I gotta get a bait in the water. I want some of this action, man. I'm sitting here. Oh my God. He hit it right by the boat. He hit it right by the boat. He came up and smoked it right by the boat, guys. Oh my God. Had it dangling in the water. Dangling in the water, came up and smoked it. There we go. Little Jack. And it's tangled up on my rod tip. I'm surprised he didn't smoke my rod tip off. There we go, guys. Nice little Jack ball. There we go. Nice little Jack. Let him go. Jeez, I had it dangling in the water, dude. Just sitting next to the boat. Came up and smoked it. I think that first one Brett had was a poon, dude. I don't think that was a Jack. I think that was a poon. I just wrapping my rod tip up. There we go. See if we can get something else to come up and hit. Right here in the middle of the channel. Oh, something's on him. Oh, there it is. Jeez, dude. Pull the hook. God dang it. Oh, Billy's on. Billy's on. Let's go. Get him in, Billy. Jack. Let's see if we can double up. See if we can double up, guys. Let's see if we can double up. Oh, we doubled up. Oh, come on, Billy. Nice Jack. There it is. Another nice Jack, guys. And we're about to double up right here. Something smoking my bait. Jeez, there's some big ones in here. There it is. There it is, guys. Oh my God, poon. Tarpon. 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 Oh my God. Did he break me? Nah, I just didn't want him to go around that freaking pylon. Golly. Oh, shit. I got a little excited on that one. A little excited on that one. See if we can get another one. Yeah, we have to reset anchor on this one. Golly. I got excited on that one. Oh, there it is. Another Jack. Is that a Jack? Another Jack. Come on, big guy. Come on. Come on. Oh, something just boiled up there. Was that your bait? Jeez, come on. guys, nice little jack roll. Oh, come on. I'm serious. Talking about fish. There we go, guys. Nice little jack roll. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna reposition the boat. I just jumped the tarpon, got 2 jags. Brett got a jag, lost I think probably a tarpon the first one, and Billy got 2 jags. And we're about to reposition up and see if we can get on some more fish, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, Brett and Billy just got the boat repositioned up, so see if we can get a bait back there, and hopefully the fish are still fired up. Hopefully we can get him fired up again. He's running from something. He's running from something. Billy, get back here, boy. Come on. Oh, something's on. Something's on it. Yep, that's a big fish. That's oh, that might be a poon. That's a poon. That's a poon. That's a poon. There we go, guys. Nice little tarpon. That's a nice tarpon, guys. We're fighting that current, not making it any better. Oh, he's gonna come in the boat. He's gonna come in the boat. It's only 30, so I gotta take it easy on him. Yep. There it goes. Come on, baby. Oh, she ain't done yet, I guess. Don't want to horse her too much. Fuck you. You got the best of me, dang it, girl. Alright, going to the big rod. Tarpon's eating. We're putting the big rod out. God damn it. Let's see, how hard you stuck that fucker? I'm surprised you got off, dude. I mean, we would have had a shit show anyway, but... Brett, you on? There it is. Brett's on. There we go. Snapper? Free lined or? Oh, snook? Look like a little snook. Oh, big jack. Oh, a ladyfish. Is that a mackerel? That's a lady? Huh? Oh, shit. Yeah, it's a mackerel. There you go, dude. Hell yeah. Come on now. Let's go. Brett with the mackerel, baby. Yes, sir. All right, tarpon, snapper, mackerels, jacks. A little free-for-all right now. A little free-for-all right now, guys. They are fired up right now. Up, tarpon. That was tarpon. Yep, that was a tarpon. Just had one roll on it. He missed it. That was a tarpon. He rolled on it. He rolled on it. Nice, dude. Just he might have killed that bait. Oh, there you go. Got it. He got it. That's a jack. That's a jack, guys. That's a nice jack. No, I got the little one. I went back. I had to go back to it. I was like, dude, it's my good luck. The other one wasn't bringing me nothing. My hands are so sliced up from touching fish. It's crazy. Brett's on. I just dropped my freaking leader. I don't know what I did with it. There you go, Brett. Get him. What it feel like, Big Jack? Oh, he got you too. They're hitting deep back there, dude. Oh, he came out? Oh, he came out. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. Oh, he got in that current. That's what it is. Right by the pylon, dude. Oh, you don't have to go to the other side. Oh, okay. Got him? Oh. Oh my, it's your line, dude. It's a line. Oh, you bet you, yeah. That's definitely a line.
Here we go, man.
Yes, sir. Another one. Another one, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was sleeping. Dude, I was staring into space, dude. Oh, you're on. You're on, Billy. Get him, Billy. Get him, Billy. Yes, sir. Billy? Get him, Billy. Come on now. Don't let him spank you. Billy said he's tired of that. Ain't no way. Yes, sir. Another Big Jack. There we go, guys. Another fish on the boat, baby. Oh, they're trying to get it. Come on. Yeah, we're not. Oh, get him. Billy's on again. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't let him beat you, Billy. Come on, Billy. God damn it, Willie. You need to pay attention where the hell your line's at. There we go. Big one or? Oh, they're way back there. Yeah, but we're gonna let. Yeah, we're about to. Oh my God, they're back. They're actually back there, dude. They're schooled up in that funnel, that big ass funnel right there. Oh my God, they are schooled up, dude. Backside. Oh my God. Oh my God. God damn it. Go down. Go down. Stay down. Stay down. Sorry. You're good. You're good. Billy's on with a tarpon. Billy's on with a tarpon. Billy's on with a tarpon, baby. Oh my God. He's in there. Oh no. He's out. He's out. He's out. Billy's on with a tarpon. Good shit, Billy. Good shit, Billy. Put this down to help you out here. There you go, Billy. I knew we'd let some line out. We was going to stick one. I seen him rolling back here, dude. Ooh, got that on camera, baby. Let's go. Oh my God, she's digging deep. She's digging deep. Come on. Come on. Billy, talk to me nice now. Oh, give me another jump. Where's she at? Oh, she's right here. Huh? She's ready?
No, she ain't ready, but she's fit.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Billy. We gotta land one of these. We got 3 hookups today. We gotta land one of these. Actually, I had 4. I think Breast was yours was definitely a tarpon, that first one. Yeah. 4 hookups. Let's see if Billy gonna be the one to get on the boat. She's digging, son. She's my kid. Yeah. Ooh, sheesh. Sheesh. That's a nice one, dude. 15, 20 pounder for sure. Nice one, bro. Nice one, dude. Nice one, bro. Come on. Oh. 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 Yes, sir. Come on. Like Billy say, come on. Oh, she don't want the net, dude. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, she's done, son. Yes, sir. Let's go. Good shit, Billy. Yes, sir. Whoo. I got my grips up front if you want. If you're not, then heck yeah. Whoo. 1 for 4, guys. 1 for 4. Jeez. 1 for freaking 4. Knew it was gonna get 1 to stick. What pound test you got, Billy?
15 to 20.
Jeez, guys, it can be done. 15-pound test, 30-pound leader, and you can get you fish like this. Good stuff, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can get it done, guys. Don't need a heavy setup to get it done. And a fishing tight structure. Up, up. Yep. Yeah, yeah. I ain't want nobody to. There you go. Yes, sir. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. All right, guys. It can be done. It definitely can be done. Oh, you good, buddy? All right. I hope he pulls off. I really does hope he pulls off. I said, I hope he pulls off. Hope he comes off. All right, Mr. Jack, like I told the other one, I gotta get my hook back. Come on now. Seriously. Jack. All right, guys, that's gonna end the fishing trip. We're heading in. We got a nice little run ahead of us. We had an epic day. Jacks, tarpon, snappers, mackerel, ladyfish. Yeah, we had a pretty sick day today. So we're gonna head in, me, Billy, Brett, calling it a day to the next trip. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button, comment on the videos, hit the bell notification. Until the next one, tight lines, peace.